Welcome to Animals Around Us. In this fun and colorful video, kids will explore the amazing world of animals, from the wild ones at the zoo to the friendly ones on the farm. Whether it's a roaring lion or a mooing cow, your little ones will get to see, hear, and learn all about them in a fun and exciting way. Elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, with African elephants being the biggest species, weighing up to 6,000 kilograms, 13,000 pounds. Elephants are herbivores, meaning they eat plants like grass, leaves, fruits, and bark. They can eat up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, of food in one day. Elephants have a strong sense of smell and can detect water from miles away. This helps them find food and water in dry regions. Sheep have thick wool that keeps them warm in cold weather. People use the wool to make things like sweaters, blankets, and scarves. Sheep have excellent vision. They can see almost 360 degrees around them, which helps them spot predators like wolves or dogs. Sheep have very good memories and can remember a specific person or animal for a long time. They even recognize faces. Zebra is a wild horse-like animal known for its black and white stripes. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, just like human fingerprints. Zebra's stripes are not only beautiful, but also help them stay cool in the heat and confuse predators by blending together in groups. Zebra lives in Africa and is usually found in grasslands, savannas, and mountainous areas. A bull is an adult male cattle, Bos taurus, typically not castrated, and known for its muscular build and aggressive behavior compared to cows and steers. Bulls are very strong, with a large muscular body, thick neck, and often a hump on their shoulders. Most bulls have horns, though this depends on the breed. Some are naturally polled, hornless. Tiger is the largest wildcat species in the world. Tiger is known for its orange fur with black stripes, which helps it camouflage in tall grasses. Tiger is a strong and silent hunter, using stealth and power to catch its prey. Tiger is mostly found in Asia, including India, Russia, China, and Southeast Asia. Tiger is a solitary animal that marks its territory and prefers to live alone. Tiger is capable of eating up to 40 kilograms, 88 pounds, of meat in one meal. Deer communicate with each other through body language, sounds, and even scent marking. They can make a variety of noises, including grunts and bleats. Deer are usually active at dawn and dusk, known as being crepuscular. That's when they are out looking for food. Deer have hooves that help them run quickly and silently, which helps them avoid predators. Camel is a desert animal, known as the ship of the desert. Camel is specially adapted to desert life, with long eyelashes and closable nostrils to keep out sand. Camel is able to walk easily on hot sand with wide, padded feet that don't sink. Cow is a gentle farm animal that gives us milk, which we use to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. Cow can sleep while standing up or lying down, but it only sleeps for a few hours each day. Cow is very important in farming and helps people all over the world by giving milk, meat, and even helping in fields. Lions are called the king of the jungle, even though they usually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Lions live in groups called prides, which can have up to 30 lions. A pride usually includes females, their cubs, and a few males. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. They use their roar to talk to other lions and protect their territory. Horse is a big, strong animal that has been a friend to humans for thousands of years. Horse has big eyes on the sides of its head, so it can see almost all the way around its body. Horse is a great helper. It has been used for riding, farming, sports, and even therapy for people. Donkey is a friendly, hard-working animal known for being strong and stubborn, but in a good way. Donkey has long ears, which help it hear very well, especially in desert environments where it originally lived. Donkey has a gentle nature and is usually calm and friendly, but it can also be very protective of its family or territory. Giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world, with some reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall. Giraffes have spots on their bodies, and no two giraffes have the same pattern. Their spots are like fingerprints. Giraffes have a blue-black tongue that is about 18 inches, 45 centimeters long, which helps them reach high leaves without getting sunburned. Goat can climb rocks and hills very easily. Some goats even live in the mountains. Goat loves to eat grass, leaves, and vegetables, but it should not eat paper or trash, even though it might try. A. Goat has been living with humans for over 9,000 years, one of the first animals ever farmed. This is a great way to help toddlers, preschoolers, and young learners improve their vocabulary and memory. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or caregiver, this video is designed to entertain and educate.